In a world where Uwell release a new device frequently, we introduce to you
the Uwell GK3.
Did you do the theatre voice? Did you?
I did something.
Theatrical.
Yeah.
I like that. Like cinematic.
Yeah, yeah.
Uwell GK3.
It was
big. That's what I want. I want impact.
It's going to take over. Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
I only managed to get a couple of the colourways.
Gene again?
Gene. But I want you to drop down, have a little fiddle, show them while you fiddle, and I'm going to tell them all about it.
Don't worry about not having them all. We can just keep on keeping on.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, that's right.
This is the Uwell Caliburn GK3. It launches in 4 different colours. We have black, red, blue, and grey. Obviously, we don't have all 4. I'm saying there is 4. We have 2.
Disappointing. Okay.
Blame Gene. Hashtag blame Gene.
Hashtag blame Gene.
Yeah.
Fire Gene.
Hashtag blame Gene.
Sack Gene.
I'd probably get in trouble with HR again.
You're always in trouble.
Do the twiddle. So there's 4 different colorways available. I've got 2 of them here in front of you. The pod system that comes with this is the G3 pod. We have a 2.5mm, but there is also a 2mm coming for TPD regions, and that will be a 0.6 and a 0.9 ohm included in the box. The power of this device is 900 milliamp hours, and that's going to deliver a maximum of 25 watts. You'll replace the charge by the USB-C cable when that is 2 amp fast charge. The device features inhale and button activation. I like that. So, you don't have to use the button. You can just inhale and it will operate. In the box, as I said, you get a 0.6 and a 0.9 ohm pod. You'll get a manual. It comes with a USB-C cable and also a lanyard. You'll notice there is some differences to the GK2, the previous model, but only on close inspection. The GK2 had a 690 milliamp hour battery from memory, and that was more suited for mouth to lung, whereas this one is for a more cloudier vape.
And there's one feature you've not spoken of.
Oh, what did I miss? Oh, and it vibrates, yeah.
And if I turn it off, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Vibrate some more.
So
1, 2, 3, 4,
let me
5.
put that right. If you like a device in your pocket that can vibrate, try the GK3.
The pocket rocket.
It's not necessarily new or exciting though. We've seen that from Uwell before.
Caliburn GK3 since 2015. Look into the future. This is made for you. Look into the future.
Back
You're
to the
Back to the future.
Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah.
Do we know what the coordinates are, where they go to?
I have no idea.
No, we should probably type that into Google Maps and see where it goes.
Google Map it. But I don't want to ruin it. I think someone watching should do it. Put it in the comments below where it took you.
Right. So first things we need to address is the screen.
Yeah, it reminds me of an old Casio.
It does look like a Casio. The interesting thing with the screen, like a Casio, it lights up. It's got like a backlight, like a Casio watch, that turns off after a second. But the screen itself stays on the whole time. It's always on while the device is on. Just a thing.
I like that. I have put in a 50-50 Nick Salt. How are you finding it?
50-50 Nick Salt, it's vaping perfectly. It's a 0.6 at 25 watts. It's quite high.
It is quite high, so go steady.
Okay.
There's your warning.
Is it a 20 mg?
Unfortunately for you, yes. So
it's hot.
It's kind of cloudy.
The pod's really nice. I love the fact that it's so easy to see, and it's so easy to see the juice level through that little window on the side. The
TPD version, 2mm, still not too much of an issue. Sometimes with pods, you're constantly worrying about your juice level, but because you've got the window there, you can see your juice level fine. It's the pod's very visible, so you can just tilt in the pod and keep an eye on your juice levels, make sure you're not burning your coil.
Mega light. Like
Yeah.
super lightweight.
Yeah, very, very convenient carry.
But not at the sacrifice of like it feeling cheap, or like build quality wise.
Yeah, yeah. I think it's. Do you know?
Hang on, what was that? Was that Vape Tricks?
That was sometimes it's just how I roll. Like, I'll do it.
Have
like, let's
you've been
flip it.
copying my unboxing videos?
I don't even watch your channel. I can't even remember the name of it or if it's got any subscribers even.
Oh, I see. Do yours? I want to see yours.
So I hold it like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You-
No, my technique's a little bit more advanced than yours.
No, yours is like really like.
I think if we were to count the amount of rotations, I had the more advanced flip.
You're throwing yours. I'm flicking it. Oh, that was good. No, see, you're
That was
still
a table.
moving.
That was a table
You're
slap.
still moving your hand.
Right. The thing is, I don't want to be just
If you got an
two
expensive
middle-aged tossers flipping.
How about if I do it with this?
No, no, no. Yeah, so I don't mind with a little pod, but you know, you got to be careful. Right, maybe we should swap over because
Okay.
that's actually not got any liquid in it.
I think that changes the.
Yeah, I didn't even prime that before starting.
It's a lovely vape. There's no two ways about it. Uwell
It is very
do
nice.
pod devices so well,
Very
don't
nice.
they?
USB-C on the base. Now, one thing I always say when devices are charged by the base,
Yeah.
this is a little bit extra to a review video.
Oh, a bit of advice, vape advice.
Take the pod out,
Pull your pod out.
pop it down. Now you can put that on charge without it affecting your pod, either getting a dry spot where it's
Or
not saturated,
flooding.
or flooding. Yeah.
Yes.
So,
So for
just
those-
mentioning that.
For those of you that are a little bit less experienced and you're wondering why do I keep getting vape spitting in my mouth, that is one of the primary reasons.
Yeah. And you can have that for nothing.
That's
Just
good.
throw that in.
Now, Uwell with their Caliburn series, they do phenomenal pod devices, a phenomenal pod vaping experience. And it just feels like they've just carried that on with the GK3. It's a new stylized version. If you like this kind of style, then cool. But it's the same great experience, isn't it? Those G3 pods are just really good.
0.6. Ridiculously cloudy vape.
Yeah, that's probably too much for the Nick salt that you've put in
I
there.
think I should have gone for a lower nicotine.
Yeah, I mean, maybe, yeah.
There's quite a lot there. I could probably even perform one of my vape tricks.
Oh, official vape Pete.
Would you like that?
Oh, I would, yeah. Do I have to pay you again?
That was called.
The wedding ring.
I mean, that's a better name than what I was
Oh,
going
what
to
were
give
you
it.
going to call it?
Finger in the O.
Don't call it that.
No, so I can also do tornadoes.
Can I see a tornado?
Not now.
Oh,
I'm
no?
still perfecting it.
Oh, okay.
But I'm available for different
mitzvahs.
celebrations.
Bar mitzvahs,
Yeah, so maybe there's an event you want me to rock up,
vape meets.
do some tricks. Then
Do they still
we could.
exist?
Vape meets, yeah,
They still exist.
yeah,
People get together in a room and
yeah. Vape out.
vape together.
Yeah, you can. You can cross vapes as well.
Can we cross vapes now?
Yeah, we could on camera. Yeah.
I want to cross vapes with you. Ah,
See there, it reminds me of that great song by the Spice Girls.
and two become one.
When two become one.
That reminds me of that hotel that we had.
Yeah, it brings back lots of happy memories for me.
Yeah, that's probably why you've got the ban on your credit card.
Yeah. In fact, talking about the credit card problems and the fact that I've only got two devices here,
How to make it better?
you could alleviate this problem
Yeah.
by buying my merch.
Wow.
Yeah, here I'm fashioning Resistance is Futile. Sadly, we didn't communicate before turning up to work today, and AJ is also wearing his
Yeah.
Resistance is Futile. So,
I mean, I did send a photo this morning when I left. This is what I'm going to wear. What are you going to wear?
and you were in pants and socks.
That one pants. It's just
Oh.
all hair.
And you can buy these on the link below. So if you like to stylize your wardrobe like us,
Yes. Yeah.
please do.
Maybe you could wear the same T-shirt as us whilst you're watching this video,
Yeah,
and then we could all be wearing the same.
that would be crazy.
And if you do, please send a photo of you wearing a T-shirt and nothing else.
Watching
Just the T-shirt.
Yeah, because we don't want to see anything else. Maybe a picture
Yeah.
of you watching it
Yes.
in the t-shirt,
If you do that, I will pin it to our Instagram or whatever.
We'll post it in the story.
Yeah.
Wear our t-shirt whilst holding your mobile, watching the Vape show.
And I will pin it in somewhere.
Yeah.
But
And in that shot, I
Yeah.
want this. This is where you need to hit pause.
Oh, wait. I've got... ready?
Oh, this is the moment. I'm going to cross plumes. Ready? Oh, I was too late. Screenshot anywhere around there. And
We're so bad at
your
this.
win stuff or something.
Win stuff?
I don't know. I just made that up.
I will send you something. I will. We've got so many vapes that you've bought that we need to get rid of.
Oh, great. So
That
you're
you've
giving
never
your
got.
stuff away.
Yeah, I'll give your stuff away.
Right, let's end it there then. So that is the GK3. And before we go, there's a few things to remember. We have channel memberships available where you
yes.
can help us make it rain.
Make it rain.
And if you can't make it rain for us, then at least hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit it 3 times. That will teach us a lesson. And then comment below, I hit it 3 times because I love you.
Yeah, no, hate you.
Hate
you.
you.
Yes,
You
yes.
learn a lesson.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I guess that's it. Unless you want to dress like us, we've said it enough times, but one final time won't hurt. There's links below to these awesome t-shirts where the resistance to buying them is futile.
Bye, everyone.